Behind me, you can see we've got a bunch of drywall on the walls. We've got tape on the ceilings. Here we are in the office. Over here is gonna be a wall of millwork. There's about 2 feet deep over here. Over here is gonna also be wall of millwork, and it's gonna be about 15 or so inches here. Back here, which you can't see, will be a couple of glass doors that open out into the family eating area. Above me here are what we're calling clouds. So we've got a cloud here, and there's a couple in the foyer as well above the front door. These are gonna get drywall finished on all edges, and then there's gonna be uplight going above them as well. So they're gonna be a really cool feature once this is all done, but starting to take shape and pretty cool. We have another cloud here, and again, right now I'm standing in midair. This is just a temporary floor that we framed at the beginning of this project to keep everybody safe. Behind me is another cloud, and that too is gonna be drywalled in, is again over 2 stories as well. We are now in the primary ensuite. This is a really cool design feature. I think I've talked about it before in previous videos, but this is gonna be like kind of a block shower stall. So around will be 3 sides of glass, and then you've got this back here that's got the niche, different shower fixtures, and then your controls here. Right beneath where the camera is right now is where the standalone tub is gonna be. That will be a beautiful thing all into itself. Over here, his and her vanity, and back here, the water closet, toilet room, whatever you want to call it. As far as products go, I love this Ditra Heat solution. I love the fact that you can customize it and snap the cables into place, right? The cables just snap in between here. And so you can customize whatever shape you want using this product. And it also serves as an anti-fracture membrane. So, I mean, the downside to it is that it does introduce additional thickness to the floor. The upsides are just too great to not use it. And so we pretty much put this stuff in all of our projects just because I really love the fact that we can really customize the zoning or like the area of the heat. And so you don't end up having any cold spots for your feet. It's great stuff. I am standing on top of the finished version of what we were looking at in the other bathroom here. So we now have the wire in the mat, and we've also got the temperature sensors in here as well, so we can make sure that the floor is getting heated to the preferred temperature. Again, like this just allows us to create the most comfortable space possible. I love this product. All right, so we've got Gabe with Heward Marble and Tile, and right now he's just finished getting this all laid out for us.
Well, the 3-3 spacing is it's optimal. It's gonna breach at least 1.5 inches from each wire, so it's gonna feel pretty consistent throughout the entire floor. Some people like 3-2 for a little hotter. In this casing, we did 3-3 all the way up into here. Nothing under the cabinets, okay, floating or not. But even standing there, you'll be able to feel on your feet. These are the heat sensors, and we got 2 of them running. 2 just in case one doesn't work or has a deficiency or something. There's always a second one for that extra insurance. The kit comes with 2, so it's not all people are gonna do it, but it's kind of safer that way. We love using the Schluter product. You get the warranty, they have it all. Like, it's very straightforward to use for us and electricians, so we've never had any problems with them, so this is the preferred for us as well.
Thanks for watching. Stay awesome. Have a great day.